It is a little behind, but it still does work. Maybe like 10 seconds behind. I'm going to show you how to basically mirror your iOS device to your Xbox One. So I'm just going to actually end this right here. We're going to stop broadcast. Basically, how you guys want to do this is you guys want to go to the App Store. Guys, this is the app right here. It's called Air Mirror for Game Console. And it says work with the Xbox One. So you want to download this app. And then basically what you want to do is basically you want to go to Control Center. And you want to hold on here, and then you basically see that thing right here. So you might have to pay for this. It does cost $4.99. It's a premium one-time payment, guys. It's only $5. And then basically you have that, and then you basically would connect your Xbox. So basically you just tap on like mirror it, so start broadcast, and then you can see it will just automatically mirror it. So just the only thing you have to do is make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi. Go to settings, go to network settings, to the same Wi-Fi. If not, just tap on set wireless network, and then you basically connect to the same Wi-Fi that your phone is on. And then you can mirror it. So it's that easy and simple. So I'm actually going to go now to over here. And we tap on start mirror. Make sure this is toggled. And there you go. Now it's mirroring. So you also catch photos. And you also screen mirror. So there you guys go. Now it's working. So I'm going to swipe up like that. Like I said, it is a little behind. But that's the only thing negative about this. It does work. And yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day and night. And yeah. Peace.